up? This is Alex, and I'm going to teach you how to heel flip. When you're doing a heel flip, you want to put your back foot in your standard ollie position, like any other trick you would use to pop, and you want to put your front foot mostly on the board with about like maybe 1.5 inches to maybe, if your feet are big, 2 inches off the board, like this. This is how I do them. And what you want to do is you want to pop like a regular ollie and slide up, but instead of doing just sliding straight up, you want to slide it up to this little pocket and flick out right here. And when you flick out right there, that causes it to spin like this. And you just see it rotate. And when you see the grip tape, catch it, land bolts, and ride away. And once you start to get heel flips down really good, you can start to do them down sets and gaps or whatever you want to do them down.